frustrated, but here we go with this video, trying it again. What I'm doing is, so I did this in the file that got corrupted. I basically took this soda box, Coca-Cola to be specific, and I'm turning it into an airplane. I got all my plans right here, spilled a little bit of Coke on them because I just drank this. Don't get mad at me. And the wheels I took off the Hobby Zone Champ are going to be used on this. And this is going to be mounted somewhere in my shop. I don't quite know where. But it'll be fun. It's fun. Because it's a challenge. I love challenges. Challenges are what makes us human. We all like being human. So, I'm just kind of pre-fitting everything. This is just the fuselage and the wings right now. So, yeah, that looks like it's going to work. Look at that. So I got a spar in this one, which is just a pencil. I hope these electronics can lift this. And, yeah, we'll kind of see from there what happens. This will get in the air, if it'll even lift it. I'm excited. I really am. This is going to be awesome. I'm calling it the pop plane because it's a plane made out of pop cans. Alright, so this wing, it's not going anywhere. I gotta get some more hot glue sticks to finish this project off, and everything will be fine with that. There's the first wing with the first prop on. This is gonna have to go. No, please don't break. Okay, there we go. This is gonna have to go back here for the tail section to go on. This is a little bit nuts. Not gonna lie, not gonna say it's not nuts, but that's okay because we're building one of the first real projects on this channel, which is the pop plane, and I'm proud of it. It's not the first one, shall it? I'm gonna just kind of do this with tape for now. This tape holds things like a boss. And yes, I said boss, don't judge me. I know you will, comments, you do every time. My other channel, you do every time, so I know you will. No matter how much I tell you not to, you're gonna judge. I'm going to have to glue this. Put some struts on the bottom to make sure it stays up like that. Yeah, it'll work. It'll be good. This video is mostly just mounting the electronics. So on this wing, let's go ahead and mount this motor. Oh, that's the wrong way. I think I made it the wrong way. Yeah, I did. Whoops. That's fine, it's just cardboard, we can bend it back. Cardboard and wood. Wood. Alright, so yeah, this video is just kind of mounting everything up, making sure it works. These have been out in humidity of the summer, so I don't even know if these will work, but we're trying it. This is the first episode of the pop plane build. The next episode will probably be next week because of the fact I have to get a battery and some stuff for the transmitter, which the throttle is kind of sketchy. I'm going to have to control that with a pencil or something. Where did I put my X-Acto? Okay, got it. Let's see where this thing sits on the wing. Wherever it will sit the furthest back, that's where we're going to mount it. Which looks like right about where the other one is, right there. Alright, so I got the hole marked out where I need to sort of drill with a knife. Let me get back to you guys when it's mounted. Alright guys, so I got the other wing kind of put together. So let's start on the vertical stabilizers of the elevator. For that, I'm using this side way on. Now we're going to be using this side of the box because this is another flat side. Alright, so let's kind of mark out what we want to do for the vertical stabilizer. By all means, this is not going to be pretty. So I kind of got to just cut out 2 of those little bitty things. Whoops. Like I said, this ain't going to be pretty, but it will hold the plane stable in the air. So let's go ahead and do the next one. You may be looking at me like I'm an expert, but I'm making this up as I go, so you'll be dead wrong. Well, I messed that one up a little bit. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. I thought it just phased out of existence for a second. Or no, it just no-clipped into the... Oops. Thing. So I got that vertical stabilizer done along with that one. I gotta get the elevator done, which should be kind of easy. What I do is kind of cut out a box like a rectangle. Alright, so got that done. Where that is, now what we gotta do is get the elevator out of it. There we go. Now we got an elevator for our airplane. And then it'll sit back here. So it's gonna be reaching in right there. It goes on like headphones. So it stays. Never cut towards yourself, guys. Don't take me for an example, please. Cool. So I got that cut. The rest of this video is gonna be more shop prep. So yeah, it's going up there. All right. The rest of the boxes can go kind of down here. There's potential materials for the next bit of the build. I did have a spar design, but I didn't necessarily get to it this video, so sorry about that. Trying to find something to hang this with. I'm not hanging it with that because, you know, it's paracord. So, I think what I'm going to have to do is just going to, oops, put this on my red plane. It's a bad spot right now for me because I'm not tall, as just demonstrated. But I do have what appears to be an airplane done this episode, which I like to think that I'm part of the way down. This one's coming loose because I don't know where the rest of the tape went, so that's awesome. So I'm going to put this over here to work on it maybe like tomorrow when I have like actual time to work on this stuff. So I'm going to put this over here, along with these little pieces parts. And then the wheels go there. Alright, and I got power to the shop now, if you guys didn't notice. But I have like Christmas lights hanging up here so you guys can see me better. Let's see how it's doing outside. It's not raining yet, which is a good thing. Need to have my door shut. There. Now I got my door closed. No idea how hard that is without a handle, which I'm going to be installing soon. So, you know, this channel I have big plans for and everything. I'm going to talk while I put things away. And yeah, I got some big plans for the channel. Put this over here with the hot plane. And yeah, it's coming together in here fairly well. Let me show you something. Guys, these are the planes I showed you guys in last video. This is the rudder for this airplane. And this is also the elevator for this airplane, which I still haven't brought out here. But these things are huge. This is my whole work area. I got my headphones from when I was listening to music earlier. Got my plane, got the things that are mounted. Here, let me get down the wing real quick. So, like I said, I'm not a tall dude, but dang, this has to have like at least a 6-foot wingspan to be this tall compared to me. Alright, so my stepdad just started the lawnmower. It means he's about to mow the lawn. These are just some massive wings. I can't say that enough. These are huge. These go on that airplane down there, but that's okay. Alright, signing off. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.